Why do we have to walk this far just to get to the resort Saul? Well, that's because it's a fancy resort, Mira. We want the best room, top floor, perfect view, and absolutely no noise. Oh, and super private, please. I know this isn't much, but please, I need the cheapest room.
I'm sorry, ma'am. We only have one left, and it's quite old.
I wonder what Rumi's room will be like. An empty room, perhaps? If she's lucky, she'll have a heater. Ha! It's not that bad. At least the room looks warm. And I'll have a place to stay for the night.
Good morning, ladies. May I interest you in a delightful dinner this evening?
We would be absolutely thrilled. Yes, thank you so much. I wish I didn't have to be alone tonight.
And here are the high-end shirt models, limited edition just for our VIP customers.
Oh, they're exquisite. I adore them.
This is the cheapest shirt in our store.
Thank you. I only need it to be warm. Rumi, no wonder you're cold. That jacket should have been retired years ago. Isn't this weather amazing for skiing? It's perfect. How about a bet on who gets the first run? Loser buys hot chocolate. You're on. Take that. Got her. Let's go. Bye. Oh. That's not fair. Why would you do that? Rumi should realize she doesn't belong here. Yes, she should leave. No. It's getting closer. We're not gonna make it. Faster! I can't look. Just ski. Don't look back. Hold on. I'm coming for you. Hold tight. Mira, Zoe, can you hear me? I have to get you back to the resort right now. What happened? How did we get back here?
When I was half awake. Rumi, we're so sorry. You still saved us even after everything we did. We're friends.
This is the best day ever. I love skiing with my best friends. Me too. It's moments like this I'll remember forever. Oh no.
Get lost. Nobody wants you here.
Go home.
Everyone, please stop.
She is really terrible.
What is that glowing thing on her?
Look at her crying like a baby.
Rumi? What happened to you? Who dares to bully my friend? Stay away from her. Rumi? Rumi? Rumi, please don't cry. What is this?
Oh, I have an idea.
Oh, what day? They are so beautiful! Wow! Look at them! We're by your side. Thank you, guys.
Someone is getting sleepy.
Sweet dreams, little one.
Is anyone home?
What happened?
It's time for us to take revenge!
Please protect the child.
husband. Rumi, live well, my baby.
Papa, Mommy. Oh, baby. Where do you come from? The poor little girl.
Papa, Mommy, I miss you.
We will always be by your side to protect you.
Okay, smile everyone. Ready? Please.
Yes!
Oh, we have to post that one right now.
Where am I? Oh no, this can't be happening. I have to get out of here. Hold steady now. I need to secure this barrel. There, that should hold against the waves. Is anyone out there? I need help. Please, if you can hear me. I don't know where I am. I'm so hungry. Oh, I think I've got one. Yes, what? Look at that. This tray is rusty, but it could help collect water. This grilled fish delicious. I love eating by the sea. Where am I? How did I get here? This doesn't make any sense. Help! I'm over here! Please help!
Control, Unit 12, orange smoke sighted on the island. Moving in for a closer look. Roger that, descending now.
Help! I'm out here! Can anyone hear me? I need help! Please, I'm right here! There, the island is just ahead.
Copy, adjusting course now. Grab on tight!
Okay, I'm in!
Great, watch your step.
Thanks for the lift! This is the best day ever! It really is, I'm so happy.
It means a lot to share it with you.
This is the best hike ever.
Definitely. Wait, do you guys see that?
Whoa, what is that?
This spot is perfect, isn't it? I know, the hike up here was totally worth it. The view from the ridge yesterday was incredible. And that stream we found, we have to go back there tomorrow.
If we cut through the gully now, we can ambush them before dark.
Agreed. Let's do it.
The X marks the spot right here. This has to be it. Hold on, if we follow the river instead, we can reach the peak faster.
You're right, let's go.
Follow me. The best part of the trail is just up ahead. We should reach the clearing before sunset.
Idiot.
Did you see what they just did?
That is the funniest thing I've seen all day.
I am so happy right now, and this is the best day ever.
It really is. I'm glad we decided to come here.
Wow, look over there. Do you see that?
What is it?
We should check it out.
We're trapped in here. Somebody help us. We can't get out.
Help!
Harder. It's not budging. Give it everything you've got. I can't believe this is finally happening. We missed you so much.
We must catch them!
They're heading north on the forest road. We're closing in.
Okay, I'll be there right away.
Hurry up, they're about to catch up.
I told him to stop, but he wouldn't listen. He just kept coming towards us.
Take a deep breath. We have enough for the report.
Get your hands behind your back.
You have the right to remain silent.
Is it delicious?
Thank you.
I warned you. I will not tolerate this betrayal any longer. Guards, seize them!
Let beauty bloom. Oh.
Welcome, everyone. I am delighted to see you all.
It's all right. I'm right here.
I was so worried, but you came back to me.
All racers, attention please. The sea race is about to begin. Listen to me. This is your moment. You have trained for this. You are ready. Trust yourself.
This race, it's ours. We didn't come this far just to participate.
Engine's ready.
Same here. Conditions look good.
Stay sharp. The first turn will decide everything. Stay in your lane. You don't own the water. Move! You're cutting me off. This is insane. Winning is all that matters. I didn't come here to be fair. If you cannot keep up, I don't care what happens to you. This race belongs to me. If you fall behind, that's your choice. I will win. Something's wrong. The engine, it's not responding. I can't control it. It's shaking. Please. I told you, I would win. Every risk was worth it. This victory is mine. I'm here. I can't breathe. Oh my God. I made it. I made it. Someone help, please. We did it. This victory means everything to me. I did everything right. And this is how it ends? The engine's dead, just like my chances. I never thought it would be like this. Standing here, watching you smile with her. Just a little more. The race is over.
It's quiet out here. I like moments like this. Just us.
Me too. When it's like this,
The engine responds perfectly. It's smooth, fast, and incredibly stable.
The handling is solid. Throttle response is clean.
You really thought you mattered? You were never strong enough for this. Gentlemen, welcome to today's race. On the starting line, we have two outstanding competitors. Prepare for the start. Move to your assigned positions and complete final equipment checks. You can't do that. That's not racing. That's cheating. Have some respect for the sport. Win with skill, not dirty tricks.
And now, presenting the championship trophy to Mira.